Fix in 5. Got a P0569? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Cruise control system inoperative or unable to activate. Cruise control buttons unresponsive on steering wheel. Check engine light illuminated. Intermittent cruise control failures. Now the most likely causes. Faulty cruise control switch or stalk assembly. Wiring harness open or short circuit between switch and module. Corroded or loose electrical connectors at switch. Defective cruise control module or PCM. Damaged steering wheel contact ring or slip ring. How to fix it. Replace cruise control switch or steering wheel stalk assembly. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness section. Clean and reseat electrical connectors. Replace steering wheel slip ring or contact assembly if damaged. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €35 minus 85 doing it yourself, or Euro 155 to 205 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0569 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0569 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0569. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.